Welcome to today's podcast. We're diving into an intriguing concept. A position makes a person suit to it. Sounds simple, right? But is it really that straightforward?
Right? I've heard this saying a lot, but it got me thinking. If a position can make someone fit, what does it actually take to be ready for that position?
That's the core question. It's not just about being handed a position. There's a deeper principle at play here. And according to the law of 3-7, it's all about preparation. 70% preparation, to be exact.
The 3.7 rule. So what's the deal with that? How does it apply here?
The idea is that in order to truly succeed in a new position, you need to have about 70% of the right preparation. Without that, the position won't make you fit for it. And if you're only 30% prepared, things won't go well.
So if you're not prepared enough, does that mean you'll fail immediately?
Exactly. If you're only 30% prepared, you won't even attempt it because you'll feel it's beyond you. But if you're around 60%, you might think you're ready, but that's when failure often hits.
That's fascinating. But if I'm still not sure whether I'm 60% or 70% ready, how can I tell?
It's tough to gauge yourself. The key is that others will notice. When you're truly ready, people around you will start creating the environment for you to step up. That's when grand nature, or the law of the universe, aligns things perfectly for you.
So, it's not just about wanting it. It's about the people and situations around you pushing you forward. But what if others push you before you're ready?
Good point. If people are pushing you, but you're not yet 70% ready, it'll feel wrong. You'll sense it's not the right time, and you won't be swayed by the pressure.
I've seen a lot of politicians fall into that trap, pushed into positions before they were truly prepared. How do we avoid that?
Exactly. If you're not fully prepared, you'll be swayed by others' expectations. But the more prepared you are, the more you'll recognize when things don't feel right. You'll know when to say no.
It sounds like the more prepared you are, the more humble you become. Is that true?
Yes, that's a great insight. Humility is actually a sign of having the right preparation. It's not about lowering yourself, but rather about understanding others and respecting them. That humility comes naturally when you're aligned with the position you're meant to hold.
So when we're truly prepared, our actions and behavior naturally reflect that. We won't just act for show, but because we truly honor the people and the role we've stepped into.
Exactly. When you're in the right position, everything aligns. Your actions will speak louder than words, and that's the essence of growing into your role, whether it's personal or professional.
That makes so much sense. But here's a question. If someone wants to go for a promotion or a higher position, do they need to be 70% prepared before even considering it?
Not necessarily. You can take the test or go for the promotion anytime, but if you haven't reached that 70%, you'll likely fail. The key is that you shouldn't be upset about it. Instead, treat it as preparation for the next opportunity.
So even if you don't succeed the first time, it's all part of the process?
Exactly. If you're clear on your purpose and prepared for the long haul, the next time will be different. But if you're just focused on the win right now, that's where the failure creeps in. The key is to recognize where you still need growth.
It's like when someone runs for office just to gain experience but ends up too focused on winning instead of learning. That misalignment of intentions can lead to failure.
Exactly. It's about aligning your intentions with your readiness. If you're genuinely prepared, people will recognize your growth, and the right opportunities will come naturally.
This whole idea really challenges the way we view success. It's not just about pushing for the next big thing, but about understanding when we're truly ready for it.
That's right. It's all about self-awareness, growth, and understanding the law of grand nature. If we follow that, success becomes a natural consequence.
And to wrap it up, the biggest takeaway is to embrace humility and always be ready to learn. As we grow, our actions will naturally reflect the right position for us.
Couldn't have said it better. Thanks for this enlightening conversation. And to our listeners, remember, success isn't just about desire. It's about being truly prepared when the time comes.